Hi friends, let's start our another question of the day, that is write a function named fib that find the number. Okay, Fibonacci of a number. Okay, it take as input. That means the question is telling about the right simple Fibonacci program. Okay, and if you are from the CP, like competitive programming background, then this is just a piece of cake for you. Otherwise, some people had a nightmare for solving this question. Okay, so let me tell about the formula for Fibonacci. And simply, first of all, let's talk about what is Fibonacci. Okay, the Fibonacci is just like this: one, one, like not zero, one, one, two, three, 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus that is just like this is a Fibonacci number. That means first of all it will be a 0 and 1. Okay, and then the sum of 0 plus 1 is 1, and the sum of 1 plus 1 is 2, and the sum of 2 plus 1 is 3, that is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5, that is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8, that is 8, and the 8 plus 5 is 13, and 13 plus 8 is 21, 21, that's so gone. Okay, for formula for this is like first and plus what, second, this is the formula. Okay, so we will solve by using recursion in Rust. So let's start doing. First of all, let's make a function main. Okay, and then let's make a function that as a question make a function fib. We will take a input like n. It will be I32, and for returning a integer we will go I32, and then we will check if number equal to 0, then we will simply do what, why we return 0. And let's remove the braces, and if the number equal to 1, then return what, 1. And then if this will not work, then what we will do, we will do simply call the function, and then we will do like n minus 1, and then we will plus fib and sorry n minus 2. We just made a mistake, it will be uppercase, and we will pass the value of n like print ln, like Fibonacci will be in the curly braces, and then fib of like 10. And then let's do the solution, cargo run. It is just show the problem like expected I32 found and not. So what it will be, I32, so let's make a U32. What it will be happen like, what it just said, like let's remove this, and let's make this an of value so that it is an integer, right? So just I32, or simply I8. It is also showing an error. Cargo run, it will show an error. You know why? Because I just used, let's use an I8. Why? What the problem is? Help convert identification snake, and that means let's, I was thinking, so now run. Yeah, it just run. So what I did, first of all, I just created a function named main. Okay, and let's create from starting from initial phase. I create a function main, and as a question I have to make a function fib. So let's make a function fib, like function fib, and then so I should have to return the Fibonacci number, that is a number. So I have to return a number, so I have to do like this, like I8 or I32, whatever I want. Okay, then this will return a number. So after this, what I have to do, like I have to check a case. First of all, what is Fibonacci number? Fibonacci number means 0 1 2 3 4, sorry, 0 1 2 3 5 8. This is Fibonacci. And if I want, if the user will do like n equal to 3, then I what, what I have to do, I have to do like 0 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, that means 3. So if user will say 0, then I have to return 0, because the first index is 0. If user will ask like 5, then I have to do 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, like this 5 number, or this 5 number, 1 2 3 4 5, like this 5 number I have to add, like 5, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, if the user will do 10, then I have to sum of the 10 Fibonacci number. Okay, so now I have to do like this. For Fibonacci fib, I have to do like, first of all, check if user is, if it is an, if the user and it is like 0. Okay, then I have to return like 0 because the first index is 0. Okay, and I just returned over here 0. And then if I do here, if I have to check like if n equal to 1, then I have to return like 3 2 1. I have to return like 1. You know why? Because I have, if I user is 1, then I have to do like 1, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. That's why I wrote here 1. Okay, and after that I have to do like the calculation, like for calculation I have to do fib and minus 1 and plus fib and minus 2, this one, and I have to just pass the number, like print with ln. Okay, and I have to print the number like this. Fib I have to pass like I have to pass 3, and then pass here, and with I 32, and let's run this. Cargo run. Simply it just returned done, because I just give the output 2, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. If I do like 5, what will be the answer? 0 plus, this is the 5, like this is the 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Then 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, or should I have to, so it will print 5. Okay, I guess, let's, I don't have idea. Cargo run. Yeah, it just printed 5, because 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so this one for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.